everybody, and welcome to Upsadaisy Designs Tutorials. Today we're going to put together the single loop butterfly bow, and I've got my 3 pieces already cut out. In the original design, the bow band is actually quite short, so I did go ahead and double the length of the bow band just because you'll need it to wrap around your clip. So got my 3 pieces, I've got my clip, and I've got something to glue my pieces together with. Glue is a personal preference, whatever's going to work for you and work for the material that you're working with. I'm using hot glue in this example just so that it will dry fast and you can see the process start to finish. I also have my silicone fingertips on so that I can try avoid burning my fingers. So this one's actually very easy to put together. Here's your bow base. Here's our bow. I'm going to flip it over to the back. Just put a little adhesive on the tabs. Not too much, you don't want it oozing out. And then I'm going to fold those over almost to the center. I like there to be a little gap so that you get a fuller bow on the front. Once we've got that held in place and glued tightly, I put another little drop of glue on the back. Oops. And I'm going to attach it to the bow base, which is the butterfly in this case. Yeah, I thought I had a little too much glue there. You see it oozing out the top, so that's not what you want to do. So I'm going to hold that till it cools. I'm going to take my bow band, a little drop on the front, center my bow band on the front, and wrap it around to the back. This is where you're going to take your clip. I like to open mine. For me, it's easier to work with them that way. I'm going to run another line of glue across the back, and that's where my clip is going to attach. And then I'm going to use these little ends off of my bow band. You'll notice that there's a gap in between here, and what we're going to do is tuck that in there. Now I've still got warm hot glue there, so that's going to stick without me having to put any extra glue. But by the time I get to this other side, it's probably cooled down. So let me put a little bit right there. Do the same thing. I'm going to tuck it underneath and glue it down. If there was any excess, I would cut that off. So now I've got my completed single loop butterfly bow. All I need to do now is attach it to my bow card, and you've got a wonderful butterfly bow to sell. Thanks for joining us today. Bye-bye.